Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you select speaking rate on your iPhone. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. All you have to do in this, you just click on settings here. It's going to take you to your settings. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you click here on accessibility here, just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. So then you click here on spoken content, you just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. So then you come here to speaking rate here, and here can you manage here your speaking rate in this list here. So that's all you have to do. I wish know you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.